Good afternoon from 2871 Atoka Trail in Crestview 32579. This is in the Cherokee Bend neighborhood. The home we're looking at today was built in 1997. A generous square footage of 2971 with 4 bedrooms and 3 bathrooms. Enter here into this very large, spacious area with sitting room, vaulted ceilings, living room, formal dining space, and a big kitchen with gorgeous granite island, breakfast bar, very generous pantry as well. That way leads you to your 2-car garage. Also, plant ledges, would look flooring. To the right is our master suite. So here's a bedroom. Got the tray ceiling fans, big cheery windows, walk-in closet to the left, water closet, garden tub, double vanity, hidden her sinks, plus extra storage, another walk-in closet, and a walk-in shower. Down the hallway, on our left, full bathroom. Then on our right, additional bedroom number 1. Brand new carpet in all the additional bedrooms. Full bathroom. Additional bedroom number 2 includes a walk-in closet and additional bedroom number 3. This big living space is really impressive to behold with the vaulted ceilings, and it's great big and open, and all the awesome windows. Take a quick look in the backyard. We enter screened in back porch. Covered patio as well, all overlooking the backyard. We've got shade in the back, porch swing, some ornamentals. Nice little oasis out here. You can hear the birds chirping. Lovely. All right, folks. So again, we are out here at 2871 Atoka Trail in Crestview 32539. Come feast your eyes for yourself.